Hi, welcome to the channel. Now today it's a nice quick easy one. We are grabbing an old background and getting a stencil and using some modelling paste. The modelling paste is going to add some lovely texture to this piece, so you'll end up with sort of a raised piece where the flowers are. So applying with my palette knife and liberally just spreading it around, but I'm not doing it all over the page. I'm just being selective with where I want these flowers to be. So I'm just going to put them at the bottom here. It's a bit like spreading butter on a lovely piece of toast. So just spreading it on and then taking off the excess with the side of my knife. So once you feel as though you've got enough of that modelling paste on the page, then you just need to peel away your stencil and it reveals the lovely flowers. And you could just leave them as they are, or like me, you could grab some acrylic paint pens and just outline around that modelling paste. The modelling paste is sort of raised, so all you have to do is push your pen around that modelling paste and it almost draws itself. Alternated the colour of the pens, so some of them are going to be pink, some purple, some yellow, whatever colours you want really. I've just had a look at the background and picked some of the colours that are already on this picture. So this is a great way to utilise old paintings that are just there and you just think, oh, I don't know what to do with that, shall I just put it in the bin? And then I've just thought, well, no, I'm sure I can make something out of it. So this is where I got this idea from. I wouldn't say that this is one of the pictures that I'm going to put in a frame and show, but it's great for those times where you just think, well, I just want to do something. I've only got a small amount of time. What can I do? And I love having a few backgrounds that I've saved that I've thought, well, they are not finished. I don't know what to do with them, so I'll just save them and then maybe I'll come up with an idea where I can utilize them. So the paint pens I'm using are Artistro and they come in a pack of 42, or at least the ones that I got came in a pack of 42. So you get a whole range of colours, which is brilliant. So really enjoy using them. I've listed the products that I've used at the bottom of the page, and you may be able to find these cheaper in your local store, local area. So continuing to go round the edges of these flowers, and then I am actually filling in some little marks just to make them more interesting. If you haven't got any paint pens, you could use pencils for this, or you could get some acrylic paint or some watercolor paint and you can paint over the top. When you actually hold this piece of paper up and you look at it from the side, you can see that raised profile, so it just adds that little bit of interest using that modelling paste. So as you can see, this is just really easy to do. So I hope you get to try this. Just use any stencils you've got if you've got a stencil, or you can maybe make some kind of stencil out of cardboard. Just cut out some shapes and then get some modelling paste and do the same. You could also use polyfiller as texture for your pictures. Again, you could do that through your stencil, but you'd need to make sure that you wash it off more or less straight away because it does go rock hard. So this is really enjoyable, little bit of doodle fun without you having to think too much about it. Like I said, you know, the raised surface, your pen just, once you push it round, it goes round almost by itself. So you can see the detail here. And I think it's turned out quite well, and it was just a great little project to do. So I hope you get to try, and thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Okay, have a great day. Bye.